All right, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about the Fry field code. And look, this isn't some abstract theory from a business book. This is a practical toolkit, one that's built for the real-world stuff you face on service calls every single day. It's a simple but really powerful formula for success out there. Okay, let's dive in.
You know this situation. We've all been there, right? You pull up to a house and you can just feel the tension in the air before you even knock on the door. The customer is worried, they might be a little defensive, their whole day has gone off the rails, and you're the one walking right into that storm. It's honestly one of the hardest parts of the job. So what's the play? What's the move in that exact moment? Well, the answer, the whole strategy, really, it all starts with this one powerful sentence from a guy named Peter Kaufman. I want you to burn this line into your brain. Think of it as your North Star on every single call. It is the single most effective tool you have for turning a bad situation around. This right here, this is the heart of our field code. Now here's the cool part. Kaufman's formula isn't some complicated business jargon. Nope. It's built on two universal ideas that are as true in physics as they are with people. They are mirrored reciprocation and compounding. Let's break down what these actually mean for you. Okay, first up, mirrored reciprocation. It is exactly as simple as it sounds. You get back what you put out. Think about a house cat, right? If you walk up to it all aggressive and try to grab it, you're going to get scratched, no doubt about it. Disagreeable in, disagreeable out. But if you approach that same cat nice and calm, pet it gently, it's going to purr, maybe even lick your hand. Agreeable in, agreeable out. This is just how the world works, especially with human beings. The second big idea is compounding. Now, we usually hear this word when we talk about money, like in a 401k or something, but it is way more powerful when it comes to your reputation, to building trust with a customer, and for your own skills. It's all about small, consistent actions that build up over time. And that word, constant, is everything. You can't just be great sometimes. It's the small professional things you do every single day that build unstoppable momentum.
Okay, so theory's great, but how do we actually use this stuff? Let's put these ideas into action. Our first play in the field code is all about using that idea of mirrored reciprocation to your advantage. It's how you set the entire energy of a call from the second you arrive. We call it go positive first.
Check this out. This shows you the incredible power you have in just the first 20 seconds of a service call. That tiny little window sets the tone for everything else. If you walk in cold, you seem rushed, you're distracted, the customer mirrors that right back at you. You'll get suspicion, you'll get resistance. But if you walk in calm, focused, and respectful, you get trust and cooperation back. You are in 100% control of which column you operate in on every single call. And here's the thing. This isn't about being some kind of super charismatic smooth talker. It's just about having a repeatable professional process. This simple script does three critical things right away. First, it shows you're polite. Second, it shows you actually care about their problem. And third, it signals huge respect for their home. With one move, you've gone first with safety and professionalism, and that completely changes the dynamic of the call.
All right, let's move to our second play. This one is all about harnessing the incredible power of compounding. We call this play Be Constant, and it's how you build an absolutely rock-solid reputation, not just with our customers, but with everyone here at Fry for your entire career.
I absolutely love this metaphor. I want you to start thinking of your professional reputation exactly like a retirement account. Every single action you take on every call, every single day, is either a deposit or it's a withdrawal. There are no neutral transactions. Every little thing you do either builds your value up or it drains it away.
So what do these daily deposits look like? Well, it's the small stuff. Explaining what you're doing, showing the customer a picture of the part that failed, writing clear notes so the next tech knows what's up, leaving the work area spotless. None of these are heroic things, right? They're just small, consistent professional habits. But just like pennies in an account, they compound. And over time, they grow into a massive reputation for excellence. And then you've got the withdrawals. Kaufman calls this variance drain. It's inconsistency. And one moment of sloppiness can drain your account fast. One bad cleanup, one vague note. Because here's the hard truth. Customers and teammates don't average your performance. They remember the one bad experience, and that one thing can undo 10 good things. Consistency isn't just a nice to have, it's the whole engine. Okay, this brings us to our final and maybe our deepest play. Because let's be honest, a lot of the time, the real problem you're there to solve isn't just about the furnace or the AC. It's about meeting a few universal human needs that every single one of us walks around with every day. When a customer is upset, I guarantee you it's almost never just about the broken equipment. It's because one or more of these fundamental needs aren't being met. They feel ignored or disrespected or like they're just another number on a schedule. The broken part is the symptom. The real problem you're there to solve is right here on this slide. So how do we fix that real problem? You don't need a psychology degree. You just need this simple checklist. These are small, concrete actions that hit those human needs directly. You repeat their problem back to them. That shows you listened. You ask permission to put your tools down. That shows respect. You validate their frustration. That shows they matter. This isn't soft stuff. This is a high-performance strategy for getting way better results with way less conflict. So when you bring all three of these plays together, you go positive first, you are constant in your actions, and you meet the human need. You create something incredibly powerful. You create a true win-win-win scenario for everyone involved on every single call. And this is what that looks like. The customer wins because they feel taken care of, and that creates unshakable loyalty. The company wins because Fry's reputation for being the best grows. And most importantly, you win. You deal with fewer arguments, you build more trust, and you create way more opportunities for your own career. It's a system where doing the right thing for the customer is also the smartest thing for you.
In the end, it all comes back to this simple, repeatable formula. This is way more than just a set of tips. This is our operating system for excellence. It's how we turn tough situations into loyal customers for life, and how we build careers we can all be proud of. Go positive, go first, be constant. This is the Fry Field Code.